Daria Jackson Ligonier here of the New York Power Couple, and in this video I'm going to share with you a free tool that I use every day to help me stay organized with my activities. A lot of times with network marketing or online marketing or affiliate marketing, we don't do the income producing activities that is necessary for us to make money and be successful. So with this tool, it's going to help you to reach out to people that are in your world without thinking whether they're interested, they're not. It'll just help you reach out to them, follow up, which is nice. A lot of times we don't follow up. And it just helps you to organize the people that you have been in contact with. So I'll show you a demo of exactly what the system looks like and how you can download it. So you don't even have to download it. Sorry about that. You just go to the site and register, and it's totally free. So without further ado, let me share my screen. All right. So you should be looking at my screen right now, and this is getpenny.com. So with the system, so this is my daily activity now that I need to do, and I love the fact that it tells you exactly where you are. So I have 5 reach outs that I need to do, and these reach outs came from Facebook, and they also came from my phone. There is a digital app only for iPhone users only, and unfortunately, sorry, Android, she's not compatible with Android, but you can use it on your computer. So these are the people that I need to reach out to today, and then these are the follow-ups that I need to do that I scheduled, right? So so that's the daily. So then this is the prospecting section. All right. So these are the people that I need to prospect, that I need to follow up with. And then it tells you the percentage, which is so cool. And then it lets you know the day. So it's really cool. You just come back to it each and every day and do what you need to do, which is good. So you have your follow-ups, you have pending, you have recommended, you have your hot prospects. So you can tag people as hot prospects. People maybe be on the fence, and then you have to follow up at some point. So just know that when you're reaching out to people and people tell you no, it doesn't mean that you scratch them off your list. You just schedule them, reschedule for a follow-up. So maybe you may follow up with them in 30 days. Their situation may change in 30 days. Maybe you may follow up with them in 90 days. So with this system, you will be able to do that. So the power is in your list. So you have contacts everywhere, right? We have contacts on our phones. We have contacts on Facebook. Some of us are on Instagram. Some of us are on Twitter. All the social media platforms that you're on, those are contacts, right? Even here. So these are the places that the system is compatible with. You can upload your contacts from Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and your phone. That is a lot of people that you can communicate with each and every day. And the system will prompt you to reach out to at least 5 people a day. And you can ramp it up if you are ready to do more. But if you're working a full-time job, reaching out to 5 people a day is plenty. Okay? So I'm going to show you how this thing works. All right, so I'm going to go to daily. So once you sign up, like I said, it's free. You follow the videos. You'll connect your Facebook. And in order for you to get your contacts from your phone, you have to do it from the app. And then you can upload your contacts. So once you upload everything, this is what you will see. So as you can see, I've been using the system. I haven't did any tasks today because for this video, I'm going to just show you what it looks like. So I'm going to click on some reach outs, right? So these are the people that I need to reach out to, or I may have spoken to already, right? So in this case, Marianne King, this is somebody that I used to work with, and I did communicate with her. So what's cool, you can reschedule, you can remove her, We can communicate on Messenger. We can communicate on LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Instagram, email, or I may have sent her some content. And then right here, they have a sample script that you can use, that you can use to reach out to these people, right? So I've communicated with her already. So I'm going to remove her because we've already communicated, right? So by removing her, I can tag her as a consultant, a customer, talk to her later, not interested, right? So I know that she's not interested, right? Because we've spoken. So I'll just put that down. So now the system will not bring her up anymore because I already let her know that is one of the contacts that's not interested. So the same thing with Karen Calhoun, right? Spoke to Karen. She's not interested in my thing right now. So I'm going to put complete, right? So and so here I can put she's either on the fence, there's a chance, not sure yet, not interested. Right? So I know that she's not interested right now, but this is someone that I really communicate with all the time. So I'm just going to say right now she's on the fence, right? Just so you could see. And what I love, it automatically pops up to schedule a follow-up. So you can say tomorrow, next week, you could pick a date, 3 months, 2 days, 2 weeks. So I'm just going to say 3 months. Let's reschedule her. So that's going to be in 91 days, 3 months. Then I'm going to close it, right? So now as I started doing my tasks, it's already telling me 20% out of 100 of my work is done today. Okay, so now I'm going to go to Diana, right? I don't know Diana. We have been friends on social media. She's probably a social media person. So I do have some scripts that I do use. So let me go to where I have some scripts. And this is on, I have this on my phone. That's what I love about using my Mac, is that whatever's on my phone is on my computer, right? So I'm just going to, I copy and paste a whole bunch of messages on here. So let me find one of them that I normally use. You know what? I think I know what I'm going to say. So I'm going to go to Messenger. Right? So you click Messenger. It's going to take you to Messenger. And since I've never, well, let's see what it says. Because one thing of what I love about Messenger, it will let you know if you had a conversation with a person or not. Now, for me, I don't remember having a conversation, but guess what? I did. I had a conversation. All right. So she saw my friend request. So since we had a conversation back in September, I'm just going to say, hey, Dana, it's been a while since we last chatted. How are you? Now, let me tell you, if this system didn't bring her name up, in most cases, I probably wouldn't have I probably wouldn't have spoken to her, right? So it's pending. I did my reach out. Let me just click on it again. I'm going to put a reschedule, and I'm going to say next week. So she's going to come up for next week for me to reach out to her. Okay? So now here's Glenda. This is somebody that I used to work with. I already spoke to her, so I'm just going to click complete. I'm going to put there's a chance because I already spoke to her, and I'm going to say 3 months. All right, I don't know how I got it. I wanted 3 months, but I say 30 days. There we go. Close. All right, so now I'm at 50%. Now I'm going to go to Wanda. Now I'm not sure which Wanda this is because I know a couple of Wandas. All right. Now what I like about this is that it lets you know where you communicate with this person. So it looks like we communicate on WhatsApp, but WhatsApp is not connected to my phone. So what I'm going to do now for the video purposes, I'm just going to hit complete, right? And I'm going to put there's a chance. And this is what I like. You could do this for each person. And I'm going to put tomorrow because I'm not sure who she is, and I can just go back and reach out to her tomorrow. And then this is 𝐾𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬 cell phone. So I've communicated. And look, at the end of your day, of your task, you get a woohoo, congratulations, right? So I'm just gonna put not sure yet, right? Just so you can see the different choices. All right, and so 100%. And I'm going to schedule her for 3 months because I know that she's a teacher and she's doing a few things. And that's it. And that's pretty much how the system works. It's really, really cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the link to the website, because this is not an affiliate program. This is just a tool. It's a tool that I use that I find very effective to help you just stay on top of your prospects, your customers, etc. It's a really great tool. They call it a virtual assistant. So Penny will do that for you. So I will do that. Let me just come back to you. All right, just come back to you. Yes. So that's it. That's it. It's a great tool that you can use for your marketing, for whatever business that you have that requires you to have customers, clients, where you have to not your marketing, for your customers, just so that you can keep track of what you did, what you said, and within each, which I didn't share with you, but within each contact, you can put information about them. So I didn't show you that part. I just remembered, but I wanted you to just see how the task works, and it just keeps you on track. It eliminates you from picking and choosing who you're going to speak to, because their name comes up. So you got to do something. Whether you're going to schedule a follow up, whether you're going to reach out to them, whatever it is that you're going to do, you have to do something. And then what's going to happen is you're going to come across contacts that you forgot you had in your phone, that you never connected with on Facebook or any other channel that you are on, or Facebook, or not Facebook, social media platform that you're on. So it helps you to deal and communicate with people that you probably wouldn't even communicate with before. So don't forget, in the description, I'm going to put the link so you can just sign up, get yourself set up so that you can start reaching out and talking to your contacts. And these are pretty much your warm contacts, people that are either your friends on social media or they're in your phone some kind of way. So then that way you can reach out to them and see if they are open to what it is that you have. So this is Daria Jackson Legenier of the New York Power Couple. I will see you in the next video. If you're visiting my channel for the first time, please don't forget to comment, like, smash that bell, subscribe, so that you will be notified for the next sets of videos that I will be putting up for you. All right, gotta go. I'll see you in the next video.